Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. Which of the following autoantibodies is most specific for rheumatoid arthritis? Rheumatoid arthritis. The correct answer is anti-CCP, anticyclic citrullinated peptide. Anti-CCP antibodies are highly specific for rheumatoid arthritis and can be detected early in the disease course. Sariyana Badil. Question 2. What is the characteristic joint involvement pattern in early rheumatoid arthritis? The correct answer is symmetric small joints of hands and feet. Early rheumatoid arthritis typically presents with symmetric polyarthritis, primarily affecting the small joints of the hands, MCP, PIP, and feet. Sariyana Badil. MCB, PIP. Question 3. Which of the following is a common extraarticular manifestation of rheumatoid arthritis? The correct answer is rheumatoid nodules. Rheumatoid nodules are subcutaneous lumps, most commonly found over extensor surfaces, and are a classic extraarticular manifestation of rheumatoid arthritis. Sariyana Badil. Question 4. A characteristic skin manifestation of systemic lupus erythematosus, SLE, is SLE. The correct answer is malar rash, butterfly rash. The malar rash, or butterfly rash, is a classic facial rash seen in patients with systemic lupus erythematosus. Sariyana Badil. Question 5. Which antibody is highly specific for systemic lupus erythematosus, SLE, and correlates with disease activity, especially lupus nephritis? SLE. The correct answer is anti-dsDNA, anti-double-stranded DNA. Anti-dsDNA antibodies are highly specific for SLE and are often associated with active disease, particularly lupus nephritis. Sariyana Badil. Question 6. Renal involvement in SLE, characterized by immune complex deposition, is known as. The correct answer is glomerulonephritis, lupus nephritis. Lupus nephritis is a serious complication of SLE, involving inflammation of the kidneys glomeruli due to immune complex deposition. Sariyana Badil. Question 7. Gout is caused by the deposition of which type of crystals in joints? The correct answer is uric acid, monosodium urate. Gout is an inflammatory arthritis caused by the deposition of monosodium urate crystals in joints and other tissues. Sariyana Badil. Question 8. The most common initial joint affected in acute gouty arthritis is the. The correct answer is first metatarsophalangeal joint, podagra. The first metatarsophalangeal joint of the big toe is the most common site for the initial attack of acute gout, a condition known as podagra. Sariyana Badil. Question 9. Which medication is typically used for long-term management to lower uric acid levels in gout? The correct answer is allopurinol. Allopurinol is a xanthine oxidase inhibitor used for long-term management of gout by reducing uric acid production. Sariyana Badil. Question 10. Ankylosing spondylitis primarily affects which part of the skeleton? The correct answer is axial skeleton, spine and sacroiliac joints. Ankylosing spondylitis is a chronic inflammatory disease that primarily affects the axial skeleton, leading to inflammation of the sacroiliac joints and spine. Sariyana Badil. Question 11. Which genetic marker is strongly associated with ankylosing spondylitis? The correct answer is HLA-B27. The HLA-B27 gene is strongly associated with ankylosing spondylitis, being present in over 90% of Caucasian patients. Sariyana Badil, 27. 90%. Question 12. Polyarteritis nodosa, PAN, is a type of necrotizing vasculitis that typically affects which size of arteries? PAN. The correct answer is medium-sized arteries. Polyarteritis nodosa primarily affects medium-sized muscular arteries, leading to inflammation and necrosis. Sariyana Badil. Question 13. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of giant cell arteritis, temporal arteritis? The correct answer is jaw claudication. Jaw claudication, pain in the jaw with chewing, is a classic symptom of giant cell arteritis, along with new-onset headache and visual disturbances. Sariyana Badil. Question 14. Lieutenant Commanders Dilna K. and Rupa A., recently mentioned for a motivational talk, are known for which achievement aboard the Indian naval sailing vessel, INSV Tarini? Chod, INSV. The correct answer is circumnavigating the globe. Lieutenant Commanders Dilna K. and Rupa A. were part of the all-women crew of INSV Tarini that successfully circumnavigated the globe. Sariyana Badil. Question 15. Which state's education department recently launched Mission March SSC 2027 with a goal of achieving a 100% pass rate in the SSC examinations? 100% 2.27. The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. The Andhra Pradesh Education Department launched Mission March SSC 2027 to ensure a 100% pass rate in SSC examinations by 2027. Sariyana Badil. 2027 100% 2.27. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.